Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot na accessible to Manila, Airport at Alabang? Ito na nga ang ating huling property na may affordable price for as low as 2.5 million. Na accessible sa lahat dahil meron itong sariling transport hub na may point-to-point travel going to PTEX and other location. Located ito sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. 3-bedroom minimalist house at may provision for 1 carport. Ang lot area nito is 50 square meters at ang ating floor area naman ay 40 square meters. Nasa ground floor ang ating isang room. Pwede nyo itong gamitin as guest room, office, or extension ng inyong living area. Upon turnover, included na po ang ating room partition, ceiling, primary paint, at bathroom fixtures. Ito na nga ang pinakamurang property natin ngayon sa General Trias. Estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig ay 14,000. Kaya naman send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive